Hi guys, my name's Melissa and today I'm here at Magic Sleek Studio because I've heard of a treatment that does real magic on your hair. It's the only treatment that complies with FDA, OSHA, and European Union. First, we're gonna wash my hair twice with the Step 1 Prep Shampoo. After step 2, since I have virgin hair, it will not be rinsed, just process under heat for 45 minutes. Flat ironing is done. Now step 3 will be applied for 5 minutes. Now after step 3, we will rinse the hair and apply the peptides. I'm very excited about the peptides and to see the results. I just finished Magic Sleek and wow, I can't believe how silky and straight my hair feels. Literal magic.